Hey, and welcome to part two. So today, we're going to be looking at the other add-ons, and we're going to be looking at some things to do. So let's have a look at Blender. So first, we finished like the object add-on, but now we have to move on to the rest of the add-ons. So the next one we're going to be looking at is the text tool add-on. Let's get rid of all these. And you should have known how to get rid of the object. If you didn't, go and check part one, and then I'll show you how to delete it. So if you go to text tool and then press the add text button, you see I have this new created operator. This operator is kind of different. So in this section, guys, you have the text tool operator, which is the label of thing, and then you have another label which is called add text operator, and then you have your scale option. So your scale option, so you can type any type of text you want in here. I'm just gonna say Javi for now. Then for the scale, you can change this whatever you want. I'm gonna say 1.42 Z up. So you can add text when it's not activated as well. Even if it is activated, you can hit this many times as you want, like that. You can hit this checkbox. I'm gonna enable the Z up section, so it says orientation Z up. If it doesn't, it says orientation default. Then center origin, let's keep that alignment default, but if you enable it, it will be alignment center. So let's disable it for now. The extrude, right now it says with the watermark extrude default, but if you enable it, it will actually show you the extrude amount. So let's change the extrude amount to maybe 1.65. Then if you press OK, it will add to the text. So let's try it. Oh, you get this error. Let's have a look at. So if you go, you can use your middle mouse wheel, hold it, and then scroll to the right. Then find scripting tab. And then let's just get rid of all these windows. So let's get rid of the Python console. We don't need that. So to do that, just go into the middle of this section here, right click, and press join areas. Press join areas, and then that will join the areas into a new window. So let's get rid of this info. So let's do that. So let's get rid of these two tabs over here, and also let's get rid of this tab over here. So let's do that. So let's enable word wrap as well. And if we open the text, what is it? Okay, here we go. So right now there was an error, and I don't know what was wrong. I didn't know what was wrong, but let's try again. So let's try entering a different text like Western Star. Let's try that. Western Star. Okay. And it says line 142, so let's go to 142. So at line 142, it says bpy.context.object.rule.rotation.euler. Oh, something is wrong here. There's a little syntax error. So it's supposed to be rotation underscore Euler. That's what was wrong. And now if we hit run script, let's get rid of this Western Star and this Javi here. Press this button, and this time I'm going to type maybe Western Station underscore Parramatta underscore 2709. Let's try that. Scale, let's change that to 2.29. And I'm going to enable center origin for this one. I'm not going to enable these two. And let's press the OK button. And there we go. So something was wrong. It's just that I did not add there was something wrong with the syntax. So I didn't add an underscore. Let's try that. So let's go to text and save this. And let's go to file. Let's go to new, general, don't save. Okay. The next tab I added in, let's just move this out of the way so I can see. The RWG, that means a random word generator. So you have this button. Oh, no, let's actually go back to scripting. Let's open the tab. So let's go random word gen. So I've this list, but something is wrong. Let's go down to the operator. I don't want this to be named button. Let's rename this to let's try generate random word. Let's try words for now. And then if we hit run script, I don't think you can see it, but let's just move on. Okay, so let's get rid of this info tab as well because I want to see it a lot better. Let's get rid of the info tab. Let's also press N key. If you go to Art Random Word Generator, it now says Generate Random Words. So if you press this button, this right now it's defaulted to A Lovely Where. So if I press this button, it says biography start destiny. Sorry. If you press it again, it says language untimed underestimate. If you press it again, it says set up timed destiny. So it will generate random words. So there's like nap plan, destination underneath. You can generate the random words. Oh, and also just to reiterate, this video is for 7L and the rest of the people around. So this is NatPlan Lovely Underestimate. So if I press it again, it says Quest Express Unmuted. Then it says NatPlan Start Unmuted. Exam Muted Underestimate. NatPlan Epitome Designation. I think designation is a word. Biography Start Biology, which is a good one. I don't know what happened here. Let's have a look at the property section. I don't know what I've done, but let's. So you have A untimed finished, notary, geometrical. Okay. So now, guys, let's get rid of this tab here so we can see the rest of the words. I'll just move my camera as well to this section. So for this, let's go to list C, guys. So if I go to list C, I don't know how to switch it. Let's maybe join the areas. Let's go this way, and let's join the areas this way. And let's join this way. So let's go all the way down to, let's go all the way up to this section. I just don't know how to switch the camera view, but okay, that's fine. So let's add another word in between here. So I'm gonna open and close quotations, or just quotations. So in this one, I'm gonna write maybe. I'm gonna say recount, then add a comma, add a space, perfect. And then if we hit the run script button, we need to add a word. Oh, I did not enable word wrap. That was what was wrong. So if I enable this button here, now if I press generate random words, I have to keep going until it says recount. Here we go. Here. It says mind destination recount. So now let's save this. Let's go to our other text. Oh, no, okay, that's fine. And now, guys, if we go, let's open up one more. Let's go to the random number generator. Then if we hit run script, it will change to RNGIT. That means random number generator, which is actually icon text. So if I go, so when you press this generate random number button, it will change this letter, it will change the icon, and it will also change this number. So if I press generate, it is 1 0 2 2 0 2 0 1 2. Yeah. So it only works if you don't press so you can press this as many times as you want, and then that's it. So if we enable another file, this is the actual 3D view, and then you have these tabs over here, like these lovely tabs. Well, I'll show you that in the third video. That's part 2. I'll do that in part 3 because part 3 is actually like an introduction to Blender 3.4. So we have everything enabled. So that's the end of the video, guys. Goodbye. Sorry about last video. It was just a little cut down. So goodbye, guys. I'll see you next video.